Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me. Susan Timchak here, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and I'm here to celebrate during Sale-a-Bration. I want to show you what I just purchased from, well, this was something I received a little while ago, but I'm just finally getting around to catching up with things after the holidays. So what I purchased during my first, notice I said that, purchase through Stampin' Up from the new Occasions catalog and Sale-a-Bration catalog. And if you're not familiar with Stampin' Up or what this is about, this little brochure is all free product for you by ordering from this catalog or the annual catalog for a limited time only. So you'll want to check out my other video where I explained all about Sale-a-Bration, joining the family, and or hosting a party, a workshop, a class, or just an online party. Anything goes for me. So let's take a look. It's a small unboxing, but good things come in small packages. I firmly believe that. So this was one of the first purchases I just had to have. Oops, there you are. This is the Butterfly Gala stamp set. Look how beautiful these butterflies are. Oh my goodness. Aren't they stunning? And the great thing, this comes with its own matching punch. So how fantastic is that? Now there is a whole bundle in this Occasions catalog. So if you don't have a demonstrator that you're currently working with, you may contact me and I can send you a catalog, or head on over to my online store at www.stampinup.net and you can see this right online. So you don't even have to worry about misplacing your catalog. Download it, save it on your device, and look at it over and over again. So here is the Gingham Gala suite, and this is where the Butterfly Gala stamp set comes into play. A lot of great butterflies and great sayings with the stamp set. The stamp set and the punch are sold separately, but if you buy them both together during this catalog, you will receive them at a 10% discount, and who doesn't love to save money? I know I do. This suite also includes the Gingham Gala 6x6 Designer Series paper, which is this paper stack right here, and it's a great size because, raise your hand, who's afraid to cut their paper, chop it up, and use it? Well, with this paper you won't have to worry because look, it's already cut down for you, so you don't have to worry about cutting those 12 by 12 pages. And look at the beautiful colors that this comes in. So the colors are Balmy Blue, Daffodil Delight, Grapefruit Grove, Highland Heather, Lemon Lime Twist, and Whisper White, of course, coordinates with it. And the great part is it's double-sided. So this side you have the small check, and this side you have the large check. So it's beautiful. The other thing that I would suggest is if you get this paper, go ahead and get this Gingham Gala cardstock pack. So this is what that looks like, and that will include 3 different colors. It includes the Balmy Blue, Grapefruit Grove, and the Highland Heather cardstock. So you'll have your Designer Series paper, you will have your cardstock, and I know we all have Whisper White paper at home, right? And then also purchase the Butterfly Gala stamp set bundle with the punch. So let's see, that will take you to 20, I'm not a mathematician, so forgive me, say 30, 38, where are we at here? Let's go with the bundle here. Let's do it. This 35, 45. Okay, so if you purchase all of these, you will get to pick something for free from this Sale-a-Bration catalog. So to keep with the butterfly theme, let me move this all aside. What I would suggest, and I'm going to show you because this is what I purchased. Now, it's totally up to you. I went with this beautiful Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper, and this paper is absolutely free with a $50 or more purchase. So with each $50, you can receive free product. So here is the beautiful paper, and it all color coordinates with the cardstock I showed you, the gingham paper. Let's take a look at this paper. Now this is 12 by 12 in size, so you're gonna have to break down and cut it, chop it, and use it. Honestly, cut it, chop it, use it. All right, so let's take a look at the paper. Look at the beautiful butterflies. Now, if you don't mind fussy cutting, these aren't really bad at all to fussy cut. Or if you have a scanning cut electronic device to cut them out, you can do that as well. So double-sided paper. The other side of all of these papers are black and white. But look at this paper. Is this not stunning? This is definitely something you're going to want to pick up more than one. Here we are with the basic polka dots. Look at how beautiful that is. Stunning. And this paper is free. Absolutely free. So, oh, look at those. You can color those with your markers, your watercolor pencils, your alcohol markers. Look at how pretty that is. The back of that one. Oh, look at how stunning. I can't wait to show you some fun ideas I have with using this. Quick coloring. Here's another one with more beautiful butterflies. And I believe these work. This will work with your punch as well. It will cut them out. So we'll punch them out, I should say. A diagonal stripe. Look at that beautiful background paper. I love them all. Oh, and look at these. I believe these will also. The only thing was, I just want to forewarn you, when you go to use this punch, I'm going to show you some tips, so you'll want to make sure to subscribe. Let me unlock it. When you go to put this in, you're going to want to trim your paper. But see, what's going to happen is when you go to punch it out, your little butterfly is going to punch out too. So I would just recommend cutting around, you know, a strip, and then go ahead and punch them out that way. But you can get a lot of beautiful butterflies with that. Okay, now I also purchased something else. How much time do I have? Let me check here. Okay, I have plenty of time. Okay, I also purchased another bundle, and let me go back in this occasion catalog. Don't forget about Paper Pumpkin too, because you can get free products with that as well. So if you subscribe to that, you also can get free Hostess items. Okay, so here we are. I ordered this piece of cake stamp set, and this also comes with a punch. So maybe many of you don't own a big shot that, you know, you would want to get the dies and such. But here is the stamp set. Oh, and I want to say this one is photopolymer, the butterflies. Okay, so this is photopolymer where they're crystal clear. If you're unfamiliar with what photopolymer is. Piece of cake is also photopolymer, crystal clear, so you can see right where you're stamping. And again, this one has the double punch as well, and I'm going to show you how to use that so you can save yourself some paper when you're using the punches. That'll be another video though. So look at all the fun different types of cakes there are, from birthday to weddings. Happy birthday, you sweet thing. Enjoy every crumb. Cut the cake. Count the good times, not the candles. Who cares what the question is? Hope this year is a piece of cake. Cake is the answer. May your love grow sweeter with every passing year. And there's a Mr. and Mrs. and all these fun little different birthday cakes. Isn't that fun? Everybody has a birthday. Everybody always needs a cake. We always celebrate with cake. And this one too comes in a bundle. You can purchase them separately, but save yourself again 10% savings by purchasing them together. So this is only $31.50. So if you're interested in getting this, add a few more items. May I suggest, let's go back. If you want to stick with the cake and party theme, where are we here? We have beautiful Valentines too, which also can be used for weddings. If you love butterflies, you'll want to check this out on page 13. Stunning. So we have this other suite, and it's called How Sweet It Is. And look at how fun and bright these colors are. So here's a couple more items you might want to add to your cake list. beautiful papers. How sweet it is. Designer series paper. And fun little ribbon, Coastal Cabana, and the other side is Granny Apple Green. That also has a coordinating cardstock pack. And if you want more party items, look at this fun birthday cheer. This has coordinating dies to go with it. This is one of our new cling stamps. So if you purchase this one, you'll get a chance to check out the new cling stamps, which when you stick that stamp to your block, believe me, it is not going to fall off. You know how we always have issues with them not sticking. So even myself, I tend not to put the label on, but you're going to want to put the label on when you use the cling stamps. So just a lot of fun, a lot of great ideas. Stampin' Up! Has really outdone themselves this time with these fun products coming out, not to mention fun Sale-a-Bration free items. So go head on over to my online store at www.stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net and check out what all Stampin' Up! Has for you. Check out the catalogs, place an order, and don't forget, if your order is $50 or more, I do have a host code that you can use where you'll get a free item as a special thank you gift from me the following month. Now, if your order is going to be $150 or more, don't use the host code. Go ahead and just place the order yourself, because I want you to receive all the fun host benefits that come along with placing a $150 or more order. And no worries, you'll also receive the free gift the following month from me as a special thank you. So I want to thank you for joining me. If you liked what you've seen, you don't want to miss any other upcoming videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And there's my dog Aurora. Click that little bell where you'll receive notifications when I upload new videos. Thanks so much for joining me, and have a super Stampin' Day. And I'll see you all back here again real soon. Bye for now.